Torrential rains have triggered severe flooding in Telde, Gran Canaria, turning streets into rivers and causing major disruptions. The Canary Islands have been hit hard by relentless downpours, leaving residents struggling to cope with the rising waters. Authorities have issued weather alerts as more heavy rain is expected, urging people to stay cautious. With climate events becoming more intense, the impact of extreme weather on coastal regions like the Canary Islands is becoming increasingly evident.